Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. We are being told that the Taliban of today are not the same as the Taliban of 1996. Full stop. Fair enough, but the Afghanistan of today is not the same as the Afghanistan of 1996 either. Full stop. The Taliban were able to capture the country with more ease than anyone imagined, comma, and certainly more ease than in 1996. Full stop. New paragraph. But now that the war has ended, as their spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid announced in his maiden press conference on Tuesday, the real job of running the country begins. Full stop. And this is not as simple as it may sound. Full stop. In 1996, Afghanistan was a country destroyed almost completely by years of civil war. Full stop. Its infrastructure was wrecked, the dams were idle, roads chewed up, cities bombed largely into rubble, its central bank defunct for years, and its national currency, the Afghani, left without any monetary authority to back it up. Full stop. At least 4 separate currencies circulated in parallel as media of exchange in Afghanistan back in 1996, depending on the region. Full stop. Its economy was largely run by smugglers and racketeers, and no fixed investment worth mentioning was operated anywhere in the country. Full stop. Less than a million students were enrolled in schools, mostly males, and hardly any higher education system was running. Full stop. New paragraph. By contrast, the Afghanistan they have captured so easily today had $9 billion in foreign exchange reserves, all held outside the country, public sector enterprises, a functioning central bank and financial system to curate the money supply and exchange rate and process cross-border payments, 2,000 kilometers of roads connecting all major provincial cities, 4 long-distance transmission lines that carry the vast majority of the country's electricity from neighboring countries. Afghanistan purchases electricity from Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Iran via transmission lines laid down during the period of US occupation. 10 million students in schools and universities, and so on. Full stop. New paragraph. The US installed government was notorious for its corruption and inability to build institutions, but despite these failings, what the Taliban have captured today is far more functional and developed compared to what they captured back in 1996. Full stop. They have made it clear that they do not wish to dismantle whatever rudimentary skeleton of a state the Americans built. Full stop. In his press conference on Tuesday, Mujahid also said, "We want a modern economy," and urged those Afghans seeking to flee the country to stay. Full stop. "We need your talents," he said. Full stop.